Hello, this is Sean from AltheaSuite, and today I'd like to talk about how to modify your invoice. First, I'd like to get some context of when you should be using this feature. So this would be a scenario if maybe you have the wrong customer information, you have the wrong warehouse, or you just need to add some notes. If you have a scenario where the customer comes back in a following day, where they change their mind on something, I would treat that as a separate transaction and would encourage you to use a sales return. That's also going to help taxes stay in order, inventory be a little bit more accurate, and also help you out a tremendous amount on the reporting side of things. Now, if you're looking at modifying your invoice, you have a few features that you could do in the view mode. So you could click into the view mode here. You could also click the view mode in that blue hyperlink right here. And some options that you have here is you could actually change the customer. Now, something to keep in mind, if you have taxes that are automated in the system, those have to be concise with each other. In other words, they would have to be from that same billing zip code area where your taxes are structured. Otherwise, you might be getting a pop-up that says, hey, the sales invoice payment is not correct. If that's the case, I would recommend using a cancel and clone to get through that portion. I could also change the warehouse too. So let's just say we're selling out of a different warehouse. I'll click into OK. And I can even add in some notes. And so for this one, I might even change my note and say, no, they're actually requesting a Friday afternoon. And click OK. And if I get out of this, I don't need to click save or anything. All of those changes have now been done right here. Now, maybe there's this scenario where you actually put in the wrong model number. I could go into modify and I could put in the correct model number and replace that right here. So I'll go down to this one. Let's just say this one is incorrect. And I'll go ahead and put in the correct model number that I need. And we'll do a 3-year warranty. Now, because there's going to be a difference in price, I still will need to go over to that payment screen. Let's go ahead and do that. And on this one, I would need to zero out that previous amount. And I'm going to have a new pending amount here that's available. And so let's go ahead and collect that. And I'll go ahead and do a save and print. And let's look at our changes. And you can see all those changes that I made here from that previous invoice have now carried over. That's it. Thanks for watching.